Welcome to Genie. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to download and install Marvel Rivals on your Xbox Series X or S console. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Access the Xbox Store. Turn on your Xbox Series X or S and go to the home screen. Navigate to the Store section. You'll find it in the menu or by selecting Browse the Store. Step 2. Search for Marvel Rivals. In the store, use the search option. You can use your controller or voice search if available. Type Marvel Rivals into the search bar and wait for the results to load. When the game appears in the search results, select it to open the game's details page. Step 3. Download Marvel Rivals. On the game's details page, you'll see a button labeled Get, or it might say Install if it's free to play. Select Get to begin downloading the game. Once the process starts, you'll see a confirmation message saying, Success. Step 4. Check download progress. To monitor the download status, go to My Games and Apps on your Xbox. Under Queue, you'll find Marvel Rivals listed with its download progress. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 5. Launch the game. Once the download is finished, go to My Games and Apps and find Marvel Rivals in your installed games. Select the game and hit play to start your adventure. And that's how you download and install Marvel Rivals on your Xbox Series X or S. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe to Genie, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-follow guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.